Moon Palace Punta Cana is one of the most searched resorts in the Dominican Republic right now. But here's the thing nobody tells you before you book. This resort is still in its soft opening phase. Only about 40% of the property is fully up and running. So the real question is it worth visiting right now, or should you wait until it's complete? In this video, I'm taking you through everything that's open: the restaurants, the pools, the beach, the rooms, the gym, and the entertainment. And I'll give you my honest take on whether the Grand at Moon Palace is already delivering on its massive promise. Stay until the end. The verdict might change your travel plans completely. Full transparency before we start. When I filmed this, the Grand at Moon Palace was at about 40% capacity. Some restaurants still opening, parts of the property still under construction. I'll tell you exactly what's open and what's coming so you can plan accordingly. The good news? Even at 40%, this resort is already genuinely impressive. I went through every section of the property, tested the food, and compared it against other resorts at the same price point in Punta Cana. No sponsored content, no fluff, just what you actually need to know. The moment you walk into the lobby, you understand what Moon Palace is going for. There's a stunning bar surrounded by palm trees right at the entrance, and it immediately sets the tone for the entire resort. The food situation here is already impressive. The Grand Buffet covers breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a spread that includes fresh juice stations, guava, pineapple, hibiscus, mango, omelet stations, a smoothie bar you build yourself, waffles, plantains, and a full bakery section. For specialty dining, the Italian restaurant is open with fresh pasta and wood-fired pizza. La Latina has tacos and fajitas in a setting that genuinely feels like a cantina in Mexico. And a steakhouse that guests who went the first night are already calling phenomenal. One detail that stood out: you order at tablet screens placed throughout the cafe areas. No waiting, no servers. Tap your order, pick it up when it's ready. At a resort this size, that system makes a real difference. What's still coming? Dreamy Wonder Woods, a kids-only themed dining experience unlike anything I've seen at any all-inclusive. Also Pier 27 by the pool, a chef's kitchen cooking experience, and a full cafe section with gelato and specialty coffees. The main pool area is already open, and it's massive. Multiple interconnected pools with palm trees, lounge chairs, and pool bars on both sides, so you never go far for a drink. There are small waiting pools specifically for kids, and a separate area that heats up during the day and turns into a warm pool, which is actually really nice. The water park section with the main water slides opened during my stay, and there's a separate kids water park for the little ones. What's still coming? A lazy river being built around what looks like a castle structure in the kids area. When that opens, this will be the best water park setup in all of Punta Cana. There's also a secluded adults-only pool in the back with its own bar, and plans for an infinity pool on the upper floors of the middle tower. The beach. Take the resort shuttle to the boardwalk, short walk to the sand. There was a little seaweed when I visited, but the beach itself is beautiful. The shuttle makes the distance a non-issue. We still need to cover the entertainment, the gym, the bowling alley, and the one detail about this resort that almost nobody mentions. It actually surprised me. Don't skip ahead. And if you're already leaning toward booking, best rates with free cancellation are linked in the description. Soft opening prices are the best you'll ever see at this resort. Here's what genuinely surprised me. The entertainment and amenity lineup at Moon Palace is on a completely different level from anything else in Punta Cana right now. The Wired Lounge Arcade, every single game is completely free. No tokens, no extra charges, just walk in and play. My kids spent half a day in there. Next to it is Ninth Pin, a full bowling alley with multiple lanes, pool tables, and a bar. It's an extra charge, but worth it for an evening. There's also a sports bar right next to the gym with TVs everywhere, air hockey, pool tables, and a bar. They opened it the first night specifically because guests wanted to watch a game. Casino coming soon. The gym deserves its own mention. Full weight room, kettlebells, battle ropes, rows of treadmills, a dedicated spin room with lights and full setup, a yoga room, and a boxing station. This is not a hotel gym. This is a real gym inside a hotel. The resort app lets you reserve restaurants up to 3 days in advance. Same app handles the tablet ordering system. At a resort this large, that level of organization is a genuine differentiator. White heavy check mark, what genuinely impressed. First, the food variety is already one of the strongest in Punta Cana, even at 40% open. When the full lineup runs, this will be hard to beat. Second, the free arcade, massive gym, bowling alley, and sports bar show that Moon Palace thought about every type of guest. Third, the tablet ordering system and resort app make everything seamless. And fourth, soft opening pricing means you're getting a potentially world-class resort at below market rates right now. Cross-mark what to know before you book. The resort is massive. Getting from your room to the beach involves a 10-minute walk or waiting for the shuttle. Fine once you know it, but it catches guests off guard. Several restaurants and amenities are still under construction. If you need everything perfect and finished, wait 6 months. And the beach had some seaweed during my visit. Always check current conditions before booking. Here's my honest verdict on the Grand at Moon Palace Punta Cana in 2026. If you go and knowing the resort is still opening in phases, you're going to have an exceptional experience. The food is already great. The pools and water park are already impressive, and the entertainment amenities, free arcade, massive gym, bowling alley, sports bar, are genuinely unlike anything else at this price point in the Dominican Republic. This is the perfect resort for families who want a full activity vacation. Something for every age group, and it only gets better as more opens. Also great for travelers who want to experience a world-class resort at soft opening prices before everyone else discovers it. Not the right choice if you want a quiet boutique resort or a guaranteed perfect beach every day. If this review helped you decide, hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds and helps other travelers find this video before they book the wrong resort. Subscribe and the bell for upcoming reviews. Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana, Tan Resort Marina Cap Cana, and more coming very soon. Thanks for watching. Have you stayed at Moon Palace Punta Cana? Or are you thinking about booking? Drop your questions in the comments. I answer every single one. Backhand index pointing down.